Hi all, welcome to Easy English YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn H sound. Let's read. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. H, 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 h. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down.